My husband only watching through FaceTime because he's not allowed to come inside the clinic due to COVID-19, so they limit the person coming, only patient. The first time I see my baby moving toward the ultrasound, I can't imagine that I can carry a baby in my age. I am so happy I can't explain my feelings towards being a mom soon. It's like a miracle to me. My husband also are happy to say our baby's healthy. Hope you keep watching and subscribe of my YouTube channel and click the bell button below for you to be updated of new videos.
Okay.
It's not like that.
Okay, baby's heart rate is 163 beats per minute, which normally we want to see it between 120 and 160. When baby moves, their heart rate jumps up a little bit faster, okay? And baby was moving around a lot, so this is a normal heart rate, okay? We're happy with that. That's good. Okay, you can see some little legs here.
Yeah.
And an arm, and an elbow, a little hand. This is your placenta up here.
Okay.
So everything's good?
So, bone looks bright white, okay? So you see like baby's forehead and skull and, you know, the legs. Here's the spine. And then fluid looks dark. So you're seeing the amniotic fluid around baby. And the spinal cord has fluid around it. And so that dark line right there in between the white, that's baby's spinal cord. Okay. But everything looks great. Baby's active, which is good. We like to see that. Let me see if I can get a good picture for you.
It's big now.
Yeah. Look at that leg.
Yeah, it's
A little
cute.
foot. You can see the arms here and here.
So cute.
Very cute.
So cute, the legs.
Trying to get a good picture of baby laying here, but baby moved a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's,
It's moving, honey.
yeah, it's good.
Tell the baby to pose for a picture.
I know, right? Say cheese.
Smile, baby. My baby shy
Yeah.
because my husband is shyness. Oh, I see the heart.
Yeah, you see it flickering there? Everything looks good. Okay. Everything looks good.
Thing is hot as hell.
Yeah. Alrighty, let me clean you off here.
Thank you for watching.